Hello guys, today I will show you how to create servlets in Netbeans. This tutorial is aimed for beginners. So as we know, servlets are Java programs which are used for creating dynamic web pages. So let's get started. First of all, open your Netbeans, go to File, New Project, select Java Web, and there Web Application. Next, give a name to your application. This can be any name of your choice. My project. You can select the location where you want to store your project, on your drive or anything. I make it default. Next, keep it the same, Glassfish server. You do not choose any frameworks as it is a later part in the Netbeans. Hit finish. You will see here your project is being created here, and as soon as the project is created, you will see your project on the left hand side in the project explorer window. See, here is your project. You can expand it. So you will get an index.html page. This page is a primary page which is the starting point of your project. In index.html we create a simple HTML page. Now we'll create two numbers, two text boxes, and we'll click the submit button and we add the two numbers. So first of all, let's create a HTML page. Form, action, add, method. Okay. Form. Mention action is add here. This will be the name of our servlet, and method get or post, anything you can put here. So we'll create a field here, number 1, input, type is equal to text, name is equal to number 1, you can give any name, br. Similarly, you create it for second number. Number num2. I just make a little bit changes here. Then you create a button. Input, type is equal to submit, which is for button. Name of the button, btn add. You can give any name of your choice. And value is what will be displayed on that button. So we click here, add. That's it. You have created a form successfully. You can save it and you can run the form. You can see the project has been run here. It will open up your browser and your form will be displayed on the browser. As you can see, number 1 and number 2 and text boxes have been created and a button add has been created. You see, when I click on add, it gets not found. That is, we haven't mentioned what the servlet does. We haven't created a servlet, hence the error. So I cut it, and now I create a servlet. So I go into my project, right click on my project, new servlet. Here I give the same name as I've given here, add. Click next. I click the checkbox, add information to deployment descriptor. I click finish. You can see add.java here in the source packages. I'll just delete the comments which isn't needed and which increases length of code. In the try, I write the code which is for the servlet. Here we have to get the two numbers which the user will input and thus add it. So first of all, we'll create two variables and we'll store the user inputs in this. So I create two variables, int a, and whatever the input the user puts will be in the string format. Therefore, we have to convert it into integer. Therefore, we use integer dot parse int. Now, request dot get parameter. We are requesting the parameter. Get parameter is a function of request, and we mention the name of the text field. What is the name? Is no one. Therefore, I put here no one. This is for the first number. Similarly, we do for the second number. Int b and no 2. Here we have created two variables and just stored it here. Now we want to add that number. So therefore, what we'll do is out dot println addition is plus, we'll concatenate that string, and what we'll do is add a plus b. That's it. We have taken two numbers here, an integer a and integer b, and we just created out.println a plus b. What this will do is whenever user clicks on the add button, it will display this addition is and whatever the addition is. Sorry for that misconduct, but we save this and we run our project again. Index.html. We'll add two numbers, 5, next 7. We click on add. Addition is 12. Hence, we created a servlet which does addition of two numbers successfully. Thank you.